Another film star here, huh? Oh yeah, make it happen tonight. What is up, guys? This is Dun here, and today we are doing woods camping. As you can see, lots of woods here. And Andy is coming as well, but he's still at work. Hopefully he finished his job and rush here before the sun is out. But we're just pretty much close to the campsite. And the path to get here is quite intense because you can see lots of branches, roots and whatever in there. But it's a good place because we don't really get disturbed from nobody, right in the middle of the jungle. And today it's really foggy, so we can't really see any views and stuff. But hopefully tomorrow we've got a better view. But yeah, see, very peaceful. Lots of grassy, nice weather. It's got no wind, no rain yet. But you hear all the nature sounds as well. This is amazing. So I'm excited and I can't wait to unpack my bag from my shoulder and let's pitch up. And we are gonna have a bit of campfire tonight. And it's happening, but still lots of lights. So here come the abandoned house, the place where we come a few times, and it just almost gone because the roof, the tops there, has been removed. Got into the frames and stuff, but there's nothing I can compete. And yeah, so we're gonna do it. Yeah. What do you think, Alex? Yeah. Is it the first time for you, isn't it? Yeah. So we've got fire camp has been built already, and we've got a place to sit down. Yeah, we've got a river, we've got fish as well though. It's nice, you can drink directly from it. Right, this is my bag, everything in there. I will be hammock camping tonight. And look at the view, even though it's a little very foggy, but yeah, you still see like nice contrast. Especially lots of dead wood over there. Like if we can cut the dead wood and to make our fire camps and stuff, this would be brilliant. Anyways, I'm excited about tonight. So I just got my top and also a hammock. This is a tropical equipment, so the first time for me test the tropical equipment in the wet and cold country, yeah. And now I've got my home has been set up, so I've got this one here attached to another tree, and I like the water to come and drain down here to that side. And the reason why I put that one a bit high because I want to get in and out without have to crawl. And one here as well, you can see. I need this one, maybe need to work up a little bit because if the rain and the wind come tonight, this is not gonna work. But after all, I'm really happy, really satisfied, and it looks really nice as well from here. Hammock camping, and you see that view, and then you got fire camp is ready, and Andy made it. Hello Andy, long time no see. So yeah, this is our night tonight. It's gonna be great.
Or something. Oh, actually, that might be from the flavoured water that would have been.
So it was an outstanding night. Stay in the woods with 3 of us in front of the campfire, and we just nothing that can compete us. So this morning we woke up and it was a bit cloudy, but it was a little bit clear up for a little while and a bit of sunshine. But this kind of view in the woods like this, there's nothing for me to compete really.
So what's up guys, this is where I was camping last night, and that was the place that I was camping. So came here several times now, the first time since last year. So got a really nice place. Got the campfire when we arrived, and so we managed to make some food. It was delicious because they made some special pork ribs, Cambodian flavour, and we all had like the food in front of the campfire and have a bit of good time. And yeah, so it's beautiful to be with nature, very quiet, silence. Hear any birds noise, just the nature, waterfalls and stuff. So this has been spectacular.
So yeah, it's been absolutely outstanding, and now we are making a morning coffee, and once we finish the coffee we're gonna wrap it up and make our way home. So thank you for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.